Welcome to Feng Tour. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean an R1200GS, R1250GS or whatever. They're the same in terms of bits. Lots of nooks and crannies. So people often say, oh, I couldn't have one of those GSs, difficult to clean. They're not if you've got the right stuff. Jet wash, snow foam, 2 buckets, and the secret tools. This rather nice pipe cleanery thing, and a very soft brush, perfect for getting the nooks and crannies. First, let's give it a jet. One thing to remember is be very careful around wheel bearings, areas where moving parts are, because the jet wash will potentially force water into the bearings. Not a good idea. The other thing to be very careful of is the radiator underneath at the front, not to get in too close. You potentially could damage it, so a little way off. I've also got this jet wash set to number 3 power setting on here, so that's the sort of safe setting for bikes and cars. Going to attach this beastie. This is a snow foam applicator. Now I'm finished with the snow foam application, just a case of waiting 4 or 5 minutes and then we can get scrubbing. 2 buckets. This one's got the shampoo in, this one's just clean water. It's so that we don't get any dirt scratching the paint. So first I'm going to go over the top of the bike with this, and let's get any sort of stuff off the screen. Flies, the usual horrible stuff that starts to stick on. So now it's the magic pipe cleaner. Let's get that in. So you can get it pretty much in every nook and cranny of a GS. Well, you can get in every bit. That brilliant. So you really can. Dead easy to get around the wheels. Doesn't take long. Now, one of the things that's quite nice about my GS is the black wheels, because you don't have to be a perfectionist. So in all those nooks and crannies, look at that, it goes right through everywhere. Absolutely brilliant bit of kit. So no longer do you need to concern yourself that a GS is difficult to clean. It isn't. No, it's not. It's easy. You can actually go right through the wheel on this one. Like this, look at that. Lots of little bits there. This brush is really nice. This can get into these sort of bits. Get the calipers looking really spruced up and good. Go along the bottom here. Look at that shiny exhaust. Wonderful. I'm not a perfectionist, but regular cleaning with these tools makes it easy every time. Now it's time to do the jet wash. The idea is really just to get the snow foam off now. Just get it rinsed down and then a quick dry. The last tool in the armoury is this rather nice drying towel. Let's get on with it. That's looking good now, isn't it? Looking good now. I'm no perfectionist at cleaning bikes. You can be if you want to be. But It didn't take too long with those tools. Get the tools, get it done. If you're like me, you don't want to faff around with a toothbrush. You've got better things to do. Okay, can't ride at the moment. But this is looking all right. Let's look at the nooks and crannies. Look at that, nice and clean. The sort of lower end was all looking reasonable. Yeah, you could spend a lot more time and make it absolutely perfect, but that looks pretty good to me. Let's go around the other side. Look at that. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's pretty reasonable. If you want to get in there with your toothbrush, you can. But for me, it's a good job. Now it's time for nice beer here. Proper job. Well, it's an okay job, but it was easy with the tools. So what do you do after cleaning your bike? Ride it? It's April 2020. No, we drink beer. And look at it. That's what we do in April 2020. Thanks for watching Ventour. Going to be uploading some more touring videos soon, so stay tuned. Catch you soon. Bye.